lighting fireworks, guys. Also, trigger warning, these will probably be very loud. So I recommend if you don't like loud noises, don't watch this. I'm on a trampoline watching. Cause yes. She went boom. That scared me so bad. Also, keep your volume low. It might be a little late to say that, but keep it low. Yeah.
Well, the girl pushed you up.
That's okay. I know. It's like the best I'm gonna get, probably. It's okay. Together. So pretty.
Really? You're recording?
Yeah.
Do you want a sweatshirt? Sure. I'm gonna run home and go grab it.
I'm gonna go out and record. That kind of scared me. So pretty. Yes, Queen. Oh, she didn't go boom. No, go home early. Style just turned off.
Where'd you go on the golf cart?
I'm not going anywhere on the golf.
You did.
I went to the garage and grabbed the.
You went over this way.
I went to the garage.
I'm recording.
Wait, me flying fireworks?
Yeah, wait for the car, yo.
I'm recording fireworks.
I thought you were making the kids do them.
I'm recording fireworks today. It's so fun said I remember this moment. Oh my god, that was so pretty.
Okay.
I didn't get it.
If you like that, grab your parachute box, Brody. Grab that and throw it in the pile. Get that one. Throw it in the
Brody, he's gonna get burned. Oh. Boom.
Let's take off like a streak of snow. You're done.
Wait, Dad. I never tried one.
We'll do one of those ones. See the whip?
What?
Right here.
I don't see the wood.
Up top.
No, it's going. gosh, she's so pretty. Oh. Really bad for the camera, but it's okay. Oh, so cool.
Go on the other side, turn it. Other side. Yep, out there.
Liam, record this.
I am.
Now the mosquitoes are like
Yeah, I think I already got
bugging you.
Yeah,
one.
they've been back. That's why I wasn't.
We're on Brody.
I'll have to get some stuff next year to spray.
I think you say that all the time.
Ooh. We have the bug bite thing. Yeah, keep popping. Keep popping.
You're not even on it.
Oh. That's okay. Get the straight view.
Fuck these people. God, Jesus. Fuck.
She's fine.
Well, maybe next year you should pay to block off the street.
What was your deal? Why didn't you?
Why didn't you? There's a bat.
A bat?
Yeah, there's a bat flying around.
Keep it away from me,
They come
please.
to suck your blood.
Nothing down. Car.
Take a match to the whole table.
Right? You know we're fucking. You know what we're doing.
Bonfire. Okay. Yes, Brody.
Stuck that in my hair.
Oh, wow.
This one.
You don't have to record the whole thing.
Yes, I do.
Light some.
No.
Yeah.
Record for me then.
No.
Yeah.
I will a little.
Little what?
Record a little.
I'm recording it.
The big ones. There's always big ones.
Smoke.
Bella.
Which one is it?
I don't think next year I'll be.
Y'all fucking bit up.
Yeah, me too. Put a jacket on so they can't bite me.
What are we gonna do as the finale?
You do that big one.
Both evil phoenixes at the same time?
Oh, you gotta do it with two. Yeah.
I'm gonna go put on a jacket because I'm getting bit up.
Shut up!
bite.
What we do when we come over.
Yeah.
I don't know why they had to come out when it starts. It's 4th of July.
Why do they have to come out when we're outside, right?
Exactly.
Hi.
Too bad you can't light them. Have next year have Trim put a hole in your roof. We'll shoot him through that hole.
Okay, from the inside of the house. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Lightning bugs, they're so cute. And then you have the stupid
They're okay.
lightning bugs are cute.
They're fine. Oh.
But yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna record. Bye.